Are you looking for a waterfront condo with an incredible view like this?
With amenities like these.
Steps from the beach like this. So Devin, we're back downtown again. You know, we sell a lot of downtown condos, right? What do people love so much about living downtown on the waterfront?
Well, Luke, it really is a lifestyle. Downtown Barrie is a total playground for families. You're on Centennial Beach, you have access to the marina, and of course you have incredible local restaurants and shopping.
That's right, where you got Pie Wood 5 Pizza right beside the building we're going to see today. You got this incredible beach, but for me, it's all about this unit as well. We've got a fantastic unit for you today. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,700 square foot condo with one of the best views I have ever seen. We're talking 3 sides of the unit. You've got a view from the living room, a view from the kitchen, a view from the office, and a view from the bedroom, and you can see the entire bay. We have to get upstairs and check this one out.
And welcome to the heart of the home. This kitchen has been recently updated with granite tiles, countertops, a stainless steel sink, and with storage you don't typically find in a condo.
The name of the game up here is going to be the view and the space. We've talked about downstairs how this unit was over 1,700 square feet. What we didn't mention is how big it feels and the fact that you have windows on all 3 sides. You've got a view from the kitchen, as Devin mentioned. You've got this incredible view from the main living space as well as from the forward-facing den. I'll tell you, if I was sitting down doing a little bit of work, having that beautiful lake view in front of me is what I would be all about, not to mention what Devin's got for you in the bedroom.
This primary is fit for royalty with a walk-in closet and an ensuite that's been updated with Carraro marble. Plus, check out this view.
And we keep talking about this incredible view. As I said, you can see it from all sides of this unit, but there's no better space than the panoramic view on this beautiful balcony. You can see all the way downtown with the city lights. You can see all the way to the east end, the beautiful bay and all of the city amenities that come with it. But what I love is that this building is not only about the suite and the view, it has so many fantastic amenities like a huge rooftop terrace, a library, a party room with a wet bar, internet, and a flat screen TV. A well-equipped gym. A fully loaded guest suite that's got its own bathroom, a mini fridge, and even Wi-Fi. And a beautiful pool and hot tub that's even got its own view of the bay. And let's not forget that ever-important sauna after a long day.
Luke, we're still filming. We're the Knowles Woolsey team and we know condos.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.